SyndBuddy 2.0 is a system based on real people syndicating and socially interacting with each other's content, which is 100% natural and the reason that Google eats it up. Automatic credit-based system. We've built SyndBuddy on a powerful, credit-based system. This allows you to get real views from real people, which is the key to ranking on YouTube and Google. When you get real views from different locations around the world and from different IP addresses, Google takes notice and your rankings increase. Real Google Plus Ones. Because Plus Ones are essential to get organic traffic from Google and YouTube, we've built this right into SyndBuddy's platform. This gives you the ability to legally use Google's own social network against them to claim all the page 1 rankings you'd like. Real Twitter tweets. Sharing is key to ranking and organic growth. And we've all heard about the power of Twitter when it comes to getting social syndication and backlinks. Now you can get tons of real tweets from an army of people, which will affect your social presence immediately, and I think you guessed it. Your rankings increase. Real Facebook likes and shares. Most people don't know about Google's social algorithm. It places a lot of weight on social media shares when it comes to rankings. When you get hundreds of these shares quickly, you'll get hordes of views with more ease than you ever imagined. Real social bookmarks. Social bookmarks is one of the most powerful types of syndication you can employ in your rankings campaigns. Bookmarking your own site on your own account is already powerful enough. But when you have an army of people bookmarking your URLs on their accounts as well, that just puts your campaigns on steroids. You'll be getting bookmarks from authority sites like Diigo, Plurk, KiwiBox, Medium, Skyrock and many more. Real Web 2.0 syndication. If getting all of the above-mentioned social interaction on your URLs hasn't excited you enough, we still have more. You'll also be able to get an army of people posting your content and linking to your sites from all the top Web 2.0 sites like WordPress.com, Tumblr, Blogger, Instapaper, Joomla, and many more. It's like having access to a powerful Web 2.0 private blog network. Real video views. SyndBuddy also comes built in with some powerful video boosting features. You'll be able to get real views to your videos from people all over the world, logged into multiple different accounts, all on different IP addresses. You'll have an army of people just waiting to watch your videos and give them the boost they need. Universal access. With SyndBuddy's web-based portal, you don't need to download anything, and you don't need any special equipment. Just log in on any internet device with your user ID and prepare for your websites and videos to get massive social interaction and shares. Step-by-step training. Get full training on how to use SyndBuddy's simple dashboard. Even an 8-year-old can run it. Training comes in step-by-step video form. World-class customer support. We have a support team dedicated to answering your questions and helping you use SyndBuddy to its fullest potential. Just email at any time, and you'll get a fast, thoughtful response dedicated to you. Limited time, no monthly fees. Grab your SyndBuddy license right now, during the grand opening period, and pay no monthly fees. Right now, one low investment gets you unrestricted access, and you'll be able to earn an unlimited amount of credits. After the grand opening expires, monthly pricing will come into effect. Full reporting of your campaigns. Not only will you be able to get a ton of shares, likes, bookmarks and syndication, we've also built in a very powerful reporting system, so you'll be able to see exactly the kind of social signals you're getting, and for social shares, you'll be able to see exact URLs of where your content is being posted. SyndBuddy 2.0 frequently asked questions. Is there any software to download? No. This is a web app which is 100% done for you since their SyndBuddy 2.0 army does all the work for you. All you have to do is submit your URL and keywords. Do I have to share other members' content? Turning auto share on is 100% optional. Obviously, the best thing to do is for everyone to have auto share turned on so that you're helping other members as well. However, it is optional, and they already have a ton of members sharing content every day. Is this a one-time payment or monthly? For the packages above, you're paying a one-time fee for the amount of credits of the package you choose. As mentioned above, you'll also have the ability to turn auto share on to earn more credits by letting the SyndBuddy To system perform the social actions on other members' content through your social profiles. You can also use SyndCreator to create a new set of social accounts if you choose to. Do I have to pay for proxies or captchas? Absolutely not. The reason they made SyndBuddy 2.0 was so you don't have to worry about anything. Just submit your info and the SB Army takes it from there. How do the credits work? The SyndBuddy 2.0 credit system is easy and effective. 3 credits equals 1 Facebook share from another SyndBuddy member. 3 credits equals 1 tweet from another SyndBuddy member. 1 credit equals 1 social bookmark from another SyndBuddy member. They have over 10 bookmarking sites. 1 credit equals 1 Web 2.0 syndication from another SyndBuddy member. 1 credit equals 1 real view from another SyndBuddy member. You decide how long they must watch. 2 credits equals 1 Facebook like from another SyndBuddy member.